In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a filter to Instagram video call. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then get into your DMs. Then open up some conversation, and now you are able to hit at that camera icon to start video call. And once you did that, you can hit right here at that smiley face icon to apply a filter to your face, just like that. Now you can look at your camera and then select any filter from that filters, just like that. You can make a big head, or you can make big eyes in that way, and you can apply any filter from here. Also, let me select that one. Also, you can hit at that filters icon to apply kind of traditional Instagram filters to your image, to your face. In that way, I like that one, and that's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.